Good day, welcome back to our top-level qualification TLQ about SICAM automation SICAM A8000 system. My name is Jorge Diaz, and now we will see how the local user administration is performed on our SICAM A8000 RTUs. As mentioned during our previous videos, in SICAM Device Manager, you only define user management policies. You don't define usernames or passwords. Those must be defined directly on each RTU via SICAM Web. The role assignment is also performed individually on each RTU. So, how do you access to the RTU directly in the RTU? You access the RTU via SICAM Web. You can use any web browser, like Chrome, for example, or you can also do it through SICAM Device Manager through this dashboard SICAM Web. When you click there, then the RTU will ask you to identify yourself with a username and password. If this is an RTU that has just been initialized, there are no other users defined there. So the default user is administrator in small characters. And by default, there is no password. If you enter, you will see you can define a new password. Once you enter into the RTU with this user, you will see something like this, and there is this group administration where you have the box user. When you are in there, you have the possibility to either go and change your password or to perform administration of local users. When you go there, at the beginning, you are the only user, administrator is the only user available. New users can be easily created by clicking on this button. When you do that, you need to define the user name, and you must provide a new password and to confirm it for this user. And furthermore, you must assign this user the roles that this user will have for operation. Then you confirm. Then what happens? The administrator contacts the operator and tells him, okay, I have created your user. Your username is, for example, operator 1. Your password is this one, for example, 80. Perfect. Then the operator will try to log in the RTU. So he tries to access, he will be asked to provide his username, and he will enter the password that was handed to him by the administrator. When he confirms, then the RTU detects that this is the first time this user is logging in, and he is logging in with the password assigned by the administrator. So he needs to assign a new password and confirm it. After this, then he will log in only with the boxes corresponding to the user right to the role that he was assigned. For an operator, their boxes are these, for example, while for engineering you have many more boxes. So with this you ensure that only that the user can only do what he is entitled to do, nothing more. Here you can see a small list of the roles available in the SICAM A8000 RTUs. And with this, we have finished another module of our TLQ training regarding SICAM A8000 configuration. We hope to see you soon in our next module regarding initialization of our SICAM A8000 RTUs.